Famous people. Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens, one of the greatest novelists of the Victorian era, was born in 1812 in Portsmouth, England. His early life was marked by hardship. His father was sent to debtors' prison, and young Charles was forced to work in a factory, an experience that would forever shape his empathy for the poor and forgotten. Dickens rose to fame in his 20s with the Pickwick Papers, and from there became a literary giant. His works, including Oliver Twist, A Christmas Carol, David Copperfield, and Great Expectations, exposed the grim realities of child labor, poverty, and social injustice, while also celebrating resilience and hope. He had a unique gift for creating unforgettable characters, Ebenezer Scrooge, Oliver Twist, and Pip, who live on in culture to this day. Beyond his novels, Dickens was a tireless social critic and philanthropist, using his voice to advocate for reform in education, labor, and prisons. His public readings drew massive crowds, making him one of the first international literary celebrities.